This video I'm going to show you how to connect Twitter and Discord accounts, so it's pretty easy. Just follow the steps I do. At the end of this video I will show you the most important step. So the first step, we just need to open the app and then just log in as I already did, and after that we just need to go to settings. So in the bottom of the app just find the user settings near your nickname or avatar, so like this, go to user settings. So this is all of our settings, but we need to find the connections in the user settings area. So just click on connections right up here and then go to view more. So here all of our able connections to Discord. We need to find the Twitter and then just click on it. So after that all we need is just to authorize the Discord and Twitter integration to access to your account. So all we need is just to input your username or email and the password from Twitter. So this is the way how you connect your accounts. So guys, I hope this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and write your comment. Goodbye.